Hi, I'm Andrew Dean and welcome to FAB Board.
FAB Board is an amazing tool that allows you to force anything that you can imagine.
FAB Board became an essential part of my shows and I'm going to tell you why it will become an essential part of yours. What would you choose? Which number?
8.
Not 4.
This really opens up lots of doors and opportunities for incredible new routines.
Tell you what we'll do, so you can't change your mind. I'll do that, and then it is committed. I've written down 10, you pick number 8, and can you see what number 8 is?
Cards.
Cards, fabulous. And you could have picked any number, we've not arranged anything, you could have picked any number.
Once you receive your FAB Board, you will receive routines, hints, tips, subtleties, and lots of advice.
Would you be impressed if inside the hat there was only a pack of cards? So I'm going to say, so what was it, Claire?
Cards.
Cards. Inside the hat we have 1 packet of playing cards. Go down. I know what you're thinking. You want to look inside the hat. There's nothing inside. Okay.
FAB Board is perfect for online, on stage and close-up. We are so confident with FAB Board that we are giving you a lifetime guarantee. You can get yours in 2 different sizes, A4 or A5.
Truth is, I'm struggling to tell you how amazing the FAB Board is. There's nothing like it. You truly can force anything at all, and it will go straight into your act. This is the Force Anything Board.
Now let's see the reactions FAB Board will get you live on stage.
You're thinking of a pair?
Yeah.
Have a look inside the bag. Have a look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you a tin of fruit cocktail. Come on, no, look, if you look down, second ingredients, look. Pear, can you see that there?
Can I? Yeah.
Can you see that? Look, tell everybody what that says.
I can't
It says
read
pear,
it.
love, just join in. Read that. What does that say?
Pear.
Yes, it does indeed. Give her a big round of applause. Come on. Thank you. No, wait there. Hang on. I wouldn't like to leave you there all disappointed, ladies and gentlemen. See, inside the tin, I have for you 1 pear. Oh, thank you very much. You can keep that. That's for you. You can have that. Thank you very much.